everyone, The Educated Natural here. Listen, have you ever been in the middle of completing a job for a client just to have them out of nowhere without warning decide they wanted to go another direction? Maybe they didn't like the colors anymore. Maybe they didn't like you anymore. I don't know. Have you just ever had anyone decide they wanted to just go a whole other direction? But you, as the creative mind that you are now stuck with products and you have no idea what to do with them. Well, let me help you out. In this video, I am actually taking a design that was scrapped by a client and I've decided to repurpose it. That's right. As a creative, you have two choices. You can just let the whole thing just go to waste and throw it all in the trash. Or you can say, this is money that I've already spent. So why in the world, as a CEO of my company, allow this to go in the trash? Oh no, I'm gonna flip it just like they do houses. I'm gonna flip it, put a new spin on it, and now it belongs to me. This is what I'm going to show you that I had to do in order to save something that I thought was absolutely stunning. Flip it and call it a whole new creation, for that is what it is. So if you are a custom apparel designer and you have designs that you are no longer using for whatever reason, go ahead and go inside of that scrap box, pull out those designs, and be as creative as you can be. Repurpose it and continue to earn income in your business. Don't let that stuff sit there just because they changed their mind. You still spent money on that stuff. I don't care if it was vinyl. I don't care if it was parchment paper. I don't care what it was. They changed their mind. You can change yours too. Just repurpose it for something even better than what you were going to do for them. So I hope you like what I'm about to create in this video. If you do, you can actually order this design and t-shirt at my website on www.theeducatednatural.com. Once again, that's www.theeducatednatural.com. I look forward to doing business with you and serving you in any capacity that I can. Until the next time, as I always say, be blessed and take every single moment of every day to enjoy your journey. Have a good one. And here you have it. This is the finished product. On the left sleeve is my logo. In the middle, of course, is the image and my chosen saying, which says, when men pray, everything changes. And I was inspired by the scripture coming out of 1 Timothy 2 and 8 that I also put there on the sleeve. And of course, in the collar is my own custom label, and I will show you guys that in another video, show you how I did that, because I think that's another important thing for you to know if you are a creative. So if you would like this shirt, it does come in various colors. The lighter colors, instead of it having this flesh tone here, it has this blue. So these kind of switch around a little bit. But the same image that I am repurposing, that I absolutely love and refuse to let go to waste. This, of course, is none other than Supacolor. That's right, I let Supacolor do this part. I did all the rest. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you would like this shirt, join me over on my website at www.theeducatednatural.com. There, you can find out about me and how you can get custom apparel of your very own. Until the next time, as I always say, be blessed, continue to be a blessing to others, and take every moment of every day to enjoy your journey. Be blessed.